Meaning of fluke.
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 Fluke. The term fluke can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. However, one of its primary meanings refers to a stroke of luck that leads to an unexpected and fortunate outcome. When something happens by fluke, it means that it was purely accidental and not planned or expected. For instance, if someone wins the lottery purely by chance, they may be said to have had a fluke. In essence, a fluke represents a rare and often surprising occurrence that defies explanation and brings unexpected success or good fortune.